Hi friends and family, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the Ipsy $12 a month subscription, and today I have decided to wear my natural curly hair. I know it's a mess, it's all over the place, but it's all natural. I was getting ready for this video and my 10-year-old was in here, and I was just talking to myself like, should I straighten my hair or not? And he chimes in and says, no, I like your natural hair, you should just leave it. So I was probably gonna leave it anyway, but now that he said that, it made me feel better. And then my 16-year-old gave me this necklace for Christmas. It is a not sure if you can see up close, but it is a rose quartz. It's a rose quartz with a heart. And he's just so cute. He just does an excellent job. All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and get started with Ipsy $12 a month bag. It is, I think, two full-size items and the rest are deluxe size. Now, I had to record this video, so this is not, or I had to re-record this video. So this is, unfortunately, I've already, anyway, kids interrupted my first one. Noise in the background. I couldn't edit it out. I couldn't cover over it. So here we are. So I've already opened everything, but still some really exciting items in here. Got this cute little see-through bag. Super adorable. It says Dream all over it. It has this cute little like hook on it. It's just adorable. I love that they've done a really good job on their bags lately. I like them all. And so let's go ahead and get started. The other thing is, so this month's theme was Dream It. So we're gonna dream. On the back you have information about their refreshments, which is new. And then of course you got the card with all of the items. I will do my best to figure out pricing on these, since Ipsy will put the full-size price for a deluxe item, so we kind of have to guesstimate what the heck the price is. All right, let's go ahead and unzip and get started. So the first thing was this Kind Ship Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Primer. So, cute little guy here, which is awesome. I actually just finished last month's Ipsy face wash. I wish I would have brought it over here so I could show it to you. It smelled so good. I can't remember. It was the brand Feel, F-E-E-L, and it was a pink color. That stuff smelled so delicious. It was like pumpkin and cinnamon, but not like, it didn't remind me of pumpkin spice because I don't like pumpkin spice. Oh my god, I know. Anyway, so I'm excited to try this. I know I'm rambling. So I'm excited to try this one this month. It says Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. Smells like sunshine. No, smells like summer, keeps your skin hydrated, soft, and clean through the dry winter months. And has the little thingy there, so we'll take her off. And it does smell, it kind of actually, it doesn't smell like summer, it actually smells more like orange. So here's the cream there. It's kind of an orange or like a peach toned cream. It smells really good though. It smells more orangey, like I said. Full size price for this is $22, so we'll have to figure her out in the end. There's that, item number one. Then item number two, and I don't know how to say this brand's name. It's like Kaledo. Kind of reminds me of like kaleidoscope, like, but it's not. Like, just look at the way that it is spelled, if you can see. Yeah, anyway, this is really pretty. It is a highlighter. It's a cream highlighter Very gorgeous. This is, I believe, this is a full size. So let's go ahead. You have the applicator here. So very pretty. It's very pretty. Oh yeah. This is gorgeous. Like, I feel like you could even use this as a topper for your eyelids. Very pretty. This says, so the Astrolight See From Space highlighter in flare. Oh, I see. You can see it from space. It says, tip. Get an all-over glow and mix a tiny bit of this highlighter with your moisturizer or foundation. Oh, that would actually be really pretty if you want that, like, that dewy finish, which I'm more of a matte girl myself. But anyway, very gorgeous, dried down really nice. Like, it's not, it's just really gorgeous. Holy cow. So full price for this is $17. Full size item. Let's go ahead and see what else we got in here. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. And I'm excited to use this because I am getting older. Why is this not wanting to do your thing? So it's a little guy. But these can still last for a long time, and like I was saying, I like this kind of stuff for underneath my eyes because I am getting older and I do need to cover those up. So I'm excited to try this. Let's go ahead and, this is in the color medium. So let's go ahead and put that on thy skin. Alright, so here we go there. And we'll just rub that on. Oh yeah, nice and thick. Oh yeah, that is a really good concealer. I actually wish I would have used that today. And it is a very good match on my skin. So I'm happy with that. This is obviously a deluxe size. Full price for this is $27. So we'll figure out the pricing in the end. And then let's see. This here is one of my favorite items from this bag. This is the Ciate London, oops, look how adorable this is. This is a blush highlighter, like kind of a, so it's a glow to illuminating blush and matchmaker. So it's a mini blush highlighter, and it is so adorable. I love this. Doesn't have a mirror, obviously it's a deluxe size, but look at how pretty that color is. It just looks so fun at the same time. And let's go ahead and swatch that. Let's see what we can see here. Oops, there we go. And we'll go ahead and rub that on thy skin as well. Oh, this is really pretty. So, there we go. So really pretty there. It goes with my light complexion there. This, whoops, almost dropped it. This little guy goes, this is a deluxe size sample, goes full size is $26. So we will figure this out in the end. Then our last item, which I did choose, and it was this gorgeous little brush here. And look at how pretty those jewels are. It's just such a gorgeous, like purple's my favorite color, and this was just really fun. It has that slanted shape there. Does seem a little bit more flimsy than the others. So a month or two ago, I also chose this brush. So they're like sisters. Ooh, sisters. Hi, sister. Nice to see you. Hi, sister. Okay. Don't ask why my head went there. But anyway, you can kind of see the difference. I mean, obviously I need to clean this one, but this one is a really good quality. This one just seems a little flimsier, but I'm okay with it. Like, I do still think it will do the job with our little Ciate London. So anyway, there we go. Let's do a quick let's do a quick little recap. We got our cute little bag, of course. We got, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't give you the price on this. This is obviously one of the full-size items, and it retails for $19.50. So just this brush alone pays for the entire $12 bag plus some. So this is why I love the $12 bag, because it is a really good value. Even though you are getting those deluxe size, it is still a really good value to have. So keep that in mind if you haven't joined. And again, we got the bag, we've got the brush. We received the little blush illuminator from Ciate London. We've got the highlighter from Kaleidoscope. I don't know, that's just what I'm going to call it. Like in my head, that's what it is. I don't know. Anyway, the It Cosmetics concealer and the Naked Papaya cleanser. So for $12 we got all of these things. They fit wonderfully in this little bag, and I can't wait to use these items. So I did figure out in between re-recording this episode that this was a retail value of at or about $58.38 total. You know, I did the best that I could with dividing the full-size price against the milligrams or whatever for the size of our deluxe. So again, $58.38 is kind of a rough guesstimate for $12. So you still got a good value there. Did you guys like the bag? Did you like your variation? Do you get the subscription? If you don't, I will have a link below. I may earn points, but this is not PR related. This is a paid for bag. And I just enjoy sharing these, and I just enjoy recording. I have fun. Also, really quickly, is I just want to share that I got this last month from Ipsy. I don't know if it was the Ultimate or the Plus, but either way, this is such an underrated palette, and I am wearing that on my eyes today. These colors are just stunning. Like, they're such a good quality. Like, it did better on my eyes than it did on the swatches that we did in that video. And just, these are so beautiful. Like, this is more of like a really pretty pearl color up close. It's kind of got that pink tone to it, but it's super beautiful. Look at that. So I did everything on, oops. There we go. Hocus pocus focus. So everything on my eyes is from this palette here. And yeah, so anyway, like, comment, subscribe, consider being part of friends and family. I would love to get a bigger crowd so we can do giveaways on a lot of things, because I do have a lot of stuff that I end up not using. It's not my complexion, not my style or type, so I would love to go ahead and do that with you guys. Right now, I hope you are enjoying the commercial-free videos, because I know I would. So just that alone deserves a thumbs up. Okay, I'm joking. But anyway, thanks guys. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.